Announcing Grid Marks and MaX 12, the optimized 12-inch on-center fastener pattern. Vertical or horizontal, Grid Marks and MaX 12 are proven to dramatically improve accuracy, reduce labor hours, and lower costs. By how much? You're about to witness the real results of an independent time and motion study with RSMeans data from GORDIAN, comparing Grid Marks installation guide marks and the optimized 12-inch on-center fastener pattern of MaX 12 to the standard installation of traditional gypsum board. With traditional gypsum board, stud locations are marked on every board, with the hope that fasteners are spaced correctly. Compared to Grid Marks, which helps even less experienced installers know exactly where every fastener can go. And MaX 12, the optimized 12-inch on-center fastener pattern. The results are extraordinary, including 17% reduction in labor hours, 45% less fasteners, reduced material and installation cost up to $70 per 1,000 square feet. On a 250,000 square foot installation, that's a savings of $14,335 and $15,720 compared to the standard installation of traditional gypsum board. Simple, efficient, effective. Grid Marks and MaX 12, only from National Gypsum.